You can say what's going on here. This appears to be a remote control Caravan. The guy in the shorts appears to be controlling it. Some kind of remote control device. His wife seems a bit stressed out. This all began with him accidentally pulling onto our drive. Been there for about half an hour now. Turn the Caravan round using the remote control. Then pulled it out onto the main busy road. And another Caravan. And now it looks like they're off. Just got to navigate the major obstruction he's created in the road. Makes you wonder, what would they do before remote control caravans? I would have just reversed it out personally. Here it comes. Looks like he's disengaged the remote control mode now. Saw him adjusting a lever next to the wheel a moment ago. Back into manual mode for reattaching to his Vauxhall insignia, which by the look of the alloys isn't a fleet car. You have to ask questions about a man who has a non-fleet Vauxhall insignia and a Caravan with a electric motor and remote control. He has to spend 30 minutes backing out of a driveway that he never should have gone into in the first place. You see slight displeasure there from other road users. Assuming his wife there's had enough. Sunday afternoon after all, and they should be out by now, or at least having lunch next door, one would assume. They're not too late. And onward to fight another day.